Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Roy. My roll number is 21EC10083 and I am from section 15. This is my second DIY project, which is the design of a circuit of an automatic night lamp in TinkerCAD. Automatic night lamps are extensively used in street lamps, where it senses the light intensity automatically and turns it on and off. To design this circuit, I have used an Arduino Uno R3, a breadboard, an LED light, two resistors of 1 kilo ohm each, and a photoresistor, and connecting wires, of course. The photoresistor here is used to detect the intensity of the light that falls on it. This is useful in detecting whether it's day or night in order to turn LED light on or off. Now let us start the simulation of this project. So we can see that as the intensity of light falling on this photoresistor is increased, the LED light turns off, and as we decrease it, the LED light turns on. For better understanding, let us understand the code. So here I have chosen a variable C, which stores the resistance of this photoresistor, and the resistance of a photoresistor is inversely proportional to the intensity of light that falls on it. So as we shine bright light on a photoresistor, its resistance decreases. So when the resistance of the photoresistor falls below 500, pin 7 is set to low, and here pin 7 is connected to the LED bulb, that is the LED bulb goes off. For other cases, when C is greater than or equal to 500, pin 7 is set to high, that is the bulb glows. Now let us run this code in Arduino IDE and check if it faces any error. So the compiling is done and no error has occurred. Thank you for watching.